This is Grandpa Farrell with today's project. I'm attempting to replace last year's quick put together cat house that I had made with my feral cat that hangs around my house. There's an old cardboard box that I got from U-Haul. These are my tools that I need to do the project. My drill, battery operated, my 30-foot tape measure, my Craftsman jigsaw, and my square. Today I went down to Home Depot and picked up two 2x4 11/32 plywood exterior. I came home, measured up the pieces that I needed, and here they are on the table ready to be assembled. One is for the bottom of the box. Next one is for the side of the box, and this one here side has got a plexiglass. I'm going to be putting a plexiglass window on one side of the box, and these two panels here are for the narrow sides, and on it is marked where I'm going to be placing two cutouts for the door openings, one on each side of the box. First I'm going to do is put some pilot holes in the door so I can cut it out with my jigsaw with two side panels. I've measured where I wanted the door, so now I just got to go down, drill a hole in 4 corners. I've drilled out the 4 holes on the square. Now I'm going to be cutting it out with my jigsaw. Holes been cut out. These are 5-inch holes, 5 inches high, 5 inches wide. They're a little bit smaller than what I had cut out in the paper cardboard box last year. This was one side. I'm not going to be showing the other side because it's all replicated. You drill the 4 holes in your marking of your 5-inch by 5-inch square, and cut it out with your jigsaw, just like I did on this one. Next piece that I'm going to be working on is one of the sides. Side measures 11.5 by 23. I've marked off where I want to put the window. It's in the center of the board, so I have to do the same thing like I did for the sides. Pre-drill 4 corner holes and then cut it out with my jigsaw. So here is my window opening cut out, and the plexiglass will cover the hole by 1/4 of an inch around 4 sides, and then I'll put some type of molding in there to hold the plexiglass in place. Okay, next we're going to be assembling the bottom board with the rails that I have on it. We'll be screwing them onto the plywood. We do that for support of the plywood because plywood warps if it gets moisture in it, so the long boards help keep it sturdy. Here is the bottom piece with all the rails attached to it. I used 1.25 inch sheetrock screws, and this is what how I put them on the board here, and everything looks good so far. Next, we're working on one of the sides, putting the top rail on the side. We don't need to put a bottom one because it's already on the bottom board, so we lift it up and then screw it into the bottom board. Now we're going to attach the top rail to our side with the window in it. Side with the window, top rail has been attached. Now we're going to attempt to attach the side with the window to the bottom board. Now we're going to be putting the 2 corner posts onto the side that we have installed on the bottom. Now we'll be attaching side 2 to the bottom board and put in the 2 corner posts like we did on side 1. Now we're going to attach the 2 sides with the open for the door. box is all complete now. Now I'm going to be moving over to do the top. I'm going to attach the top board rails because it's just going to rest in there. It's not going to be screwed to the box. So you can take it off and put it back on again to clean it out. Box is complete now. Top's been put on. It falls into place nice and easy. Just lift up. You can empty it out, put it back down, and we're all set. So this is our project for today. A plywood cat box. Final thing for the day, I put the plexiglass window in. It looks really cute. So here is the finished product of my cat house. Painted it gray with exterior gray paint around the window. I got semi-gloss white paint, and everything's done. Oh, sorry, not done. I gotta put the plastic over the two doorways, the front and back door. All I have is an opening.